With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, block A is kept on an inclined surface, just begins to slide if the inclination is 30 degrees. The block is replaced by another block B. It is found that it just begins to slide if the inclination is 40 degree. Option 1, mass of A is greater than mass of B. Option 2, mass of A is less than mass of B. Option 3, mass of A equals mass of B. Option 4, all three are possible. So we know for maximum angle of inclination for sliding, minimum angle of inclination at which the body starts to slide is given by the formula theta equals tan inverse mu. This is the minimum angle at which the body will start to slide. So in this equation we see this is independent of mass. This equation is independent of mass. Now because it is independent of mass, it does not matter what is the mass of A, what is the mass of B. Anything can be possible. So option 1, which says mass of A is greater than mass of B, true. Option B, mass of A less than mass of B, true. Option C, mass of A equals mass of B, true. All three conditions are possible. So we cannot say any of the above options are correct because all three conditions are possible. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.